What if I told you there's a simple way to start making money online in the next 24 hours? Even if you have zero experience, no tech skills, and no idea what to sell. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. This is the world of digital products, and it's one of the fastest growing, lowest risk ways to earn income online. No inventory, no shipping, no packaging, no customer service. You don't even need a website to get started. If you've ever felt stuck trying to make money online, if you've tried side hustles that led nowhere or watched others succeed while you're still searching, I know how that feels. I've been there. That's why I created a course that cuts through the noise and shows you exactly how to start selling digital products, step by step. It's called Digital Profits Academy, and the best part is the entire course is available right here on YouTube. You don't need to opt in. No email required. Just press play and start learning. This course includes over 30 step-by-step videos that walk you through the entire process, from choosing the right product to branding it, listing it, marketing it, and turning it into real passive income. There's a link to the first video in the description. You can start watching as soon as this video ends. And to help you hit the ground running, I'm also giving you access to free digital products you can sell right away. These are high-quality, done-for-you products you can customize and launch with zero stress. You'll also get free checklists, cheat sheets, and tools to help you stay on track and take action without getting overwhelmed. Now, let me ask you this. What if your first product went live tomorrow? What if someone bought it while you were sleeping? What if that small win turned into a second and then a third? What would that mean for you? Because that's what digital products allow. You create something once and it can sell over and over again. You build it once and it works for you around the clock. So let's break it down. What are digital products? They're things like printable journals, checklists, ebooks, templates, planners, and mini courses. Anything someone can download instantly to solve a problem or make life easier. And here's what's powerful. You don't even have to create them from scratch. In fact, inside the course, I'll show you how to use PLR, which stands for Private Label Rights. These are pre-made digital products that you can legally rebrand, customize, and sell as your own. So if you're worried that you don't have an idea or the skills to create content, this solves that problem immediately. In Chapter 1, I walk you through how the business model works. It's simple, it's scalable, and it's something almost anyone can do from home with a laptop and a few hours a week. In Chapter 2, you'll discover which types of products sell best. You'll learn how to choose a niche that fits you, whether that's budgeting, fitness, mental health, productivity, small business, or self-care. There are opportunities in every direction. In Chapter 3, I teach you how to brand your product, update the design, and make it your own. You'll learn how to use free tools to make it look polished and professional, even if this is your first time. Now, here's the best part. You don't even need a website to start making money. That's right. Inside the course, I show you how to launch using simple, free tools. You don't need to worry about buying a domain, setting up hosting, or learning complicated tech. You can literally start selling within 24 hours, using free platforms that deliver your digital product automatically when someone buys. Then we get into traffic. This is the part where most people get stuck, but I make it simple. You'll learn how to use short-form content like TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts to generate sales on autopilot, even if you're not a content creator. I show you how to create posts in minutes that build trust and drive clicks. You'll even learn how to use AI tools to help you write product descriptions, create content, and keep going even when you don't know what to say. This is designed for complete beginners. No followers, no ads, no pressure. Just follow the steps, one video at a time. Now you might be wondering, will this really work for me? Here's what I can tell you. This model works for moms, students, teachers, retirees, 9-to-5 workers, creatives, side hustlers, and people who have never made a single dollar online. You don't need to be a salesperson. You don't need a big personality. You don't need tech skills. What you need is a roadmap. And I've built it for you, but I need your help. This is a full course I'll soon be selling for $297, but for a limited time, I'm making it completely free right here on YouTube, so I can get real feedback from people like you. All I ask is that you watch the course, take action, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. What helped you the most? What would you love to see added? Your feedback helps me improve it before it becomes a paid program. And right now, you get full access with nothing held back. So here's what's inside the Digital Profits Academy, completely free right here on YouTube. You get over 30 step-by-step training videos. You get access to free digital products you can sell right away. You get checklists and cheat sheets to help you stay on track. You get guidance that takes you from idea to income. And you get to learn at your own pace, from the comfort of home. No more searching, guessing, or trying to figure it all out alone. This is the shortcut I wish I had when I started. So here's what I want you to do next. Click the link in the description. Watch the first video in the course. Start the process today. You could have your first digital product live by tomorrow. You could make your first sale this week. And a few months from now, you could be looking back at this moment as the turning point. If you want more content like this, subscribe to the channel. This is Income Streams Unlimited, and I create videos and full courses to help you build real, sustainable income online. So hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and don't miss what's coming next. This is your time. Take the first step. Click the link in the description or the video that will pop up on the screen to get started with the Digital Profits Academy course.